Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is what? Factorizations. Now in today's class we also take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on factorization, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Now let's see our question. Factorize x to the power 4 minus y plus z whole square. Different. This is a very important question, very important questions of your NCERT exercise based on the identity. Now look, here some first of all, since you know that x square minus y square is equal to what? X plus y in another bracket x minus y. This is the very important identity. Now we split this question based on this identity. Look, let's see its solution. So we have x to the power 4 minus y plus z to whole power here power 4. Okay. Now we can write in this way: x square to whole square minus y plus z whole square to whole square. Okay, we can write the given expression in this way. Now we expand it on the identity a square minus b square, and therefore for that question this is the value of a is what? X square, and here the value of b is what? Y plus z to whole square. So now we can write a square minus b square. A square means this is a square minus a plus b means a plus b in one bracket into and in another bracket a minus b. A minus b means what? Y plus z whole square. Okay. So we can arrange in this way. Now look what I do. Now dear friends, here this is the form of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is not any identity, but here this is the again we apply is the form of a square minus b square. This is the form of a square minus b square. So here the value of a is what? X, and the value of b is what? Y plus z. Value of b is what? Y plus z. So in this way we can explain this is based on the identity a square minus b square. So we can write this x square plus y plus z square as it is. So we can write as x square plus y plus z whole square as it is into this is the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So we write a plus b means what? Y plus z, and a minus b. A minus b means what? In this way. Now we break the brackets. So we can write as x square plus y plus z whole square, and here we can write x plus y plus z. In another bracket we break the bracket, x minus y minus z. X minus y minus z. So this is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way, dear students, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Now, dear friends, we take and solve some other important questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay. Now look, we take a question, factorize factorize 81 x square minus x to the power 4 minus y minus z to the power 4. Okay, this is also a very important questions related to your topic factorizations. Okay, now look, what is the process to solve that questions? Look, so let's see solution, dear students. Dear students, first of all, we arrange it on the identity. Now look, so this is 81 x to the power 4 now. This is what? 81 x to the power 4. Now we can write in this way. First of all we write given expression. Given expressions, this is 81 x power 4 minus y minus z to the power 2. Now, 4. So, first of all, we arrange it based on the identity. You know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. You know that this is a very important identity. This is a square minus b square, which is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So we can write as now. Look here, we arrange it on the identity 9x square to whole square. So 9 is 81 na? Okay. So 9 is 81 x square to whole square we write as minus. Here we can write y minus z whole square to whole square in this way. Okay. Now, this is 9x square whole square minus y minus z square whole square. So, dear students, so first, now here we expand it by using the identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So this is the a is what 9x square, a is what 9x square, and here b is what 9 y minus z whole square. This is the value of b. Now we expand it on identity this. So look, a plus b in one bracket. So a plus b means y minus z whole square. So we can write a plus b in one bracket and into a minus b in another bracket. So a minus b means what? B means in another bracket. Now we don't know any identity. This is related to a square plus b square, but we know that a square minus b square. So we can expand these expressions using the identity a square minus b square. So we can write in this way. This is right as it is 9x square plus this is y minus z whole square in one bracket. Now here we can write this is 3x square minus this is we can write y minus z whole square. Now this is the identity what? A square minus b square. Here this is the value of a is what? 3x and the value of b is what? Y minus z. So we further expand by using the identity a square minus b square. So this is right as it is. 9x square plus y minus z whole square into. So this is we can write a plus b in one bracket. So a plus b. So a plus b means what? Y minus z. A plus b in one bracket and a minus b. A minus b is minus y plus z in one bracket. So this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic factorization by using the identity. Now we take and solve some other important questions of your chapter factorization. Let's see. Now we take a question. We take exercise. Now divide. We take a very important question. And the question is divide z in bracket 5z square minus 80 by 5z in bracket z plus 4 in bracket and bracket z plus 4. Now let's see its solution. Okay, so we divide z in bracket 5z square minus 80 by 5z in bracket z plus 4. So now look, first we write z 5z square minus 80 divided by 5z in bracket z plus 4. Now we can write as z 5z square minus this is 80 divided by 5z in another bracket z plus 4. Now first of all, we observe here some common factors in these two terms 5z square minus 80. So we can write as z 5z square minus we can write 680 as 16 into 5 and here 5z in another bracket 5z plus 4 right as it is. Now from numerator we take 5 as common factor. Okay, so z into we take 5 as common, so we get z square minus 16 and divided by 5z in another bracket this is z plus 4. Now look here 5 cancel to each other and z is also cancelled to each other, so we left is what z square minus 16 upon z plus 4. Now look in the numerator we also further split by using the identity a square minus b square. So for that we can write z square minus 16 is there now, so we can write 4 square upon this is z plus 4 in the numerator. Now here we using the identity a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So this is a plus b in one bracket and in another bracket a minus b, and in the denominator we can write z plus 4. Z plus 4 is cancelled to each other, so we have only z minus 4. So this is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so in this way dear students you can solve each and every questions of the NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear students we take and solve some other important questions based on factorization. Let's see. Now we take a question divide divide 44 in another bracket x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 5x cube minus 24x square minus 24x square by 11x and in another bracket x minus 8. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, we can write first of all we have this is 44 in another bracket x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 24x square divided by what 11x into x minus 8. Okay, so first of all we write in this way. Now dear student, we can write as 44 x power 4 5x cube minus 24 x square is divided by 11x, and in another bracket this is x minus 8. Okay, now dear student, from the numerator we factorize 44, and also we take some common factors in the numerator, and we can 44 write 11 into 4, and from the numerator we take x to the x square as common, because of we can write the expression in this way: x square into x square minus 5 into x square into x, we can write again minus 24 x square. Okay, we can arrange in this way. Now in denominator we can write 11 x minus 8 as it is. Now from numerator we take x square value. X square is a common factor which is present in all the terms. Now from the numerator we take 11 into 4 right as it is, or you can write here 11 cancel to each other. Okay, and here this is 4 is left, and we take x square as common. So in another bracket we have x square minus 5x minus 24 minus 24. Okay, now in the denominator we write x into x minus 8. Now look here, 1x cancel to each other, so we get 4 into 1x is left, and in here x square minus 5x minus 24. Now what I do, now we do their factorize, and in the denominator we have x minus 8 is left. Now look, now in the denominator we do their prime factorization. So for that, we get, look, we split the middle term, so 24 8 3 is up to x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24, and in the denominator we have x minus 8. Okay, now look, this is 4x, and from these two terms we take x is common, so we get x minus 8, and here plus 3 is common, x minus 8 upon x minus 8. Now from the numerator we take x minus 8 as common, so 4x and another bracket x minus 8, so x plus 3 is left in the another bracket upon this is x minus 8. Now here x minus 8 is cancelled to each other, so we get as 4x, and in another bracket this is x plus 3. So this is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. This is one of the most important question. Let's see once more time. First of all, we have the expressions, and we can write in this way, and after that we do the prime factorization of 44. That is, we can write 11 into 4, and from the numerator we take x square is common, because of x square is a common factor of both the terms. So now we take x square as common, so we get x square minus 5x minus 24 in the next bracket, and in the denominator we can write as it is. Now here 11 cancel to each other, here 1x is also cancelled to each other, and this is 4x, and now we do their factorizations by using the concept of splitting the middle term. Okay, so by that method we can solve this, and after simplify them we get our result. So in this way, dear student, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic factorizations. Okay, now in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on this chapter. Okay, dear students. Now thanks to all.